Do you like to adventure, explore, and discover? Well, I do, but I can't right now. So instead, I got some little adventure decor pieces to hang up. Now I can imagine I'm hiking in the mountains, exploring and discovering new things, when in reality, I'm at home on the farm shoveling chicken shit. The pack comes shipped to your door with 3 individual pieces. They're printed on a softer wood material, but they look pretty good. On the back, they have little metal clasps to make hang up easy. I just used some thumbtacks that I had on deck and hung the clasp from them. I could easily make it flush with a different mount, but I don't mind them sticking out a little bit. Install was easy, and that's all I care. Now I can sit here and long for the days that I get to go adventure, explore, and discover again. I can almost smell the pine trees just by staring at the little triangle and tiny tree graphics. And this one makes me want to go camping in the backyard again. Then this one makes me want to go look for a deer from the top of a mountain. But I live in flat farmland, so I guess I'll go on a hike up the small hill instead. So if you're looking for some inspirational and adventurous wall decor, this pack might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go feed the chickens, then stare at these little mountain graphics, instead of actually being in the mountains. See ya!